my bird trap. And I'm homeschooled, and I'm going to teach you how to catch birds. This string connects to that bird trap, and you pull the string when the bird's on there, and it lands down on it. Then you go out there and take the bird out.
Have you caught any birds?
Yes, I've caught 1, 2, 3 birds.
Okay, and you use these. Here's one of your traps right here.
Here's one of my traps. This thing, you pull this string right here. Pretend this is a bird. This bird lands on the bird seat. Pull the string and catches the bird.
Okay, what does this thing do?
This bands them. You get a bracelet.
Looks like that.
It looks like this. And you put it into here. And
Tightens on their leg.
no, pretend I'm a bird. This tightens on. So you put this in here. It tightens. This tightens.
Okay, I see.
Onto the bird.
Can you let one of your birds go?
And you then, after that's done, you can keep it for a little bit, and then you can let it go.
Okay. Alright, let me look at this. This is just a mouse trap with a hole through it on a board with a coat hanger and a hairnet.
Daddy?
Yeah. You catch a bird and let it go. I'll tell them about the hairnet. I got the hairnets at Gordon Food Store. A box of 144 will last you a long time. I drilled a hole through the mouse trap right underneath the little lever. I glued the mouse trap to the board and then used some screws to hold it down. This goes through the other side and I can pull that. It's about 20 feet of string.
Dad?
Yeah?
This is without the whole way.
Okay, and there's one right here. You can see he's got a band already. Okay, we're gonna let him go.
And you let him go just like this.
Oh, he's sleeping, isn't he?
This is him.
He didn't want to fly away. Oh, there he goes.